P0455 code on your dashboard? Don't waste hundreds at a repair shop. One of these 2 DIY fixes could solve it in minutes for just $4.61. Saved you money? Subscribe for more fast DIY engine code fixes. Let's get started. If you are dealing with a P0455 error code, this video will show you 2 practical at-home solutions to fix it. First, use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and confirm the P0455 code. This code indicates that the evaporative emission EVAP system has detected a gross leak, which is typically larger than 0.04 inches in diameter. Here are 2 simple, practical DIY methods you can try to resolve this issue. Method A. The gas cap. Start by opening your fuel door and inspecting the gas cap. Check the rubber seal for cracks or debris and ensure it tightens securely. First, clean the gas tank opening using a WD-40 cleaner. Next, inspect the gas cap for any dirt or grime. If it's dirty, use the same cleaner to wipe it down. If cleaning doesn't solve the issue, or if the cap appears worn out, you should replace it with a new one that matches your vehicle's specifications. Method B. The canister purge valve. The canister purge valve is typically located behind the intake manifold, right next to the throttle body. For the purpose of this demonstration, we have removed the valve ahead of filming to give you a clearer view. However, you should locate the component in your vehicle while the engine is running to test its functionality. Place your finger over the vacuum port. If you feel a constant vacuum suction, it indicates that the canister purge valve is stuck open and needs to be replaced. Simply disconnect the hoses and the electrical plug to remove the old valve. Then, install the new one, reconnect everything, and ensure it is firmly in place. After the repair, use the Zeus app to clear the error code. Then, tap the rescan button once more to ensure everything is working properly with your vehicle. And that's how to fix a P0455 error code in just minutes using 2 simple DIY methods. Always remember to start by checking your gas cap and EVAP hoses, as these are often the fastest, most affordable, and most common solutions. If this video helped you save money and clear your check engine light, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Join us every week for more professional DIY repairs and OBD2 code fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.